counsel your fellow, cadets, be ready to help out your friends, and have this information.
Today we learned individual movement techniques. We learned how to put on face paint, as you could see. We also learned how to conduct field maintenance on the 240s, 249s, how to ride an op board, troop leading procedures, as well as how to react to indirect fire, which is the big booms you can hear going off every now and then. I wasn't as confident on putting on face paint or on working with the 240 and the 249 in the field, just because they're big pieces of machinery and they could be very intimidating. But you just got to remember to keep your cool and just walk through the steps.
Next, we go into our 4-point safety inspection for the 240 Bravo. It'll be 5 for the 249.
A lot of just the movements with the low and high crawl. I mean, I understand like the general aspect of it, but just the specifics of how to low and high crawl quickly, and I guess the accurate technique, as well as I knew how to clear an M4, but I had never done it on the M240 or the 249. This is really important because as leaders, we're expected to know everything that our followers know. And you can't really be in the military if you don't understand the military, especially in the combat situations. So understanding squad tactics and understanding different hand signals and stuff could potentially save lives if you're in a combat situation. Be open-minded. Don't think that you know everything. I had 2 years of ROTC experience before coming here, and I still keep an open mind. I write down literally everything at every station, even if it's simple stuff that I already know, just because you can always keep on learning.
I'm down.
I'm up.
They see me? I'm down.
My decision to join the ROTC, so this is a bit personal, but I happen to be a Jewish, and our history is a little bit difficult going back, but I was always thankful to be born in a country that always accepted me for who I was, didn't judge me for it, and I always wanted to find a way to pay that back.